Hi, this is Ashish from Kala Nirvana Creatives, and we are trying to uh, introduce some new international art event called Global Art Expo and Expose, Global Art Expose. This is to give exposure to new as well as emerging artists and established artists who want to make their mark internationally, globally. This kind of exposure we will do it 3 times in a year in 3 different venues in the whole world. And first one we are coming in April in India, in Hyderabad. And second we are planning to New Zealand. Third will be in Miami or anywhere. I'm not decided yet. But yes, this is all about bringing talented artists from all over the world, not only artists like photographers, artists, and people who want to show their talent across the border, and they don't believe in boundary. So I believe art do not have any boundary, and this is the whole concept, to go beyond the boundary and show their talent and reach out to the people. This event will be for 4 days, and we'll book a beautiful exhibition center, where there will be artists from different parts of the world, maybe 40-50 countries, and there's no limitation of age. Uh, Obviously, like below it is 18, but there's no limitation of the age up to that. And any country people can participate, and the whole idea is not only participate but to come and be here and interact with so many artists from from different parts of the world. And also the highlight of this event is we are going to publish one book which will be distributed online and offline to different galleries, art dealers, art curators, and people who relate to art. And this is going to give all the artists a great scope to reach out, and you never know whom you will be picked by. And also for the event we are inviting 2 curators and 2 gallerists as a guest to interact with all the artists. And at the end of the day we'll have one award ceremony, where we'll have first, second, third award to be given by our jury. And that is great opportunity to have recognition all over the world. And this will be covered in many online galleries and a lot of social network, as well as different magazine and various other means of communication. So this is for artists who want to experience different world venue, as well as interact with so many artists at one place, as well as to reach out to the whole world as an artist and have their mark. So I welcome everybody to the first Global Art Expose. It's called India Art Expose April, and it will be in Hyderabad. We'll be sending you the details in our website called globalartexpose.com, and you can check all the details. And anybody who are interested, please contact us and send their bios to the mail ID provided in the website. And any other queries, go to the contact us page and contact us by mail or by phone or by Viber or by Skype, anywhere. And or also it's for Facebook. We are also having a special group of Global Art Expose in Facebook very soon. And be in touch and get connected and conquer the world. Good luck.